General knowledge about Southern Railways. Southern Railways is one of the 18 railway zones in India and was created on 14th April 1951 by merging three state railways, Madras and Southern Maharashtra Railway, South Indian Railway and Mysore State Railway. The headquarters of Southern Railways is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The total route length of Southern Railways is approximately 5,000 kilometers, covering states such as Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Puducherry. The major junctions of Southern Railways include Chennai Central, Chennai Egmore, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Salem, Coimbatore, Thiruvananthapuram Central, Ernakulam Junction, Bangalore Junction, and Kozhikode. Southern Railways operates various types of trains such as Superfast Express, Express, Passenger, and Suburban trains. The Southern Railways is known for operating the famous Nilgiri Mountain Railway, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Southern Railways also operates the prestigious Palace on Wheels luxury train, which takes tourists on a journey through the famous tourist destinations in South India. Southern Railways is committed to providing safe, reliable, and comfortable transport to its passengers and has been recognized for its efforts in maintaining high standards of cleanliness and hygiene on its trains and stations. Southern Railways has also taken several steps towards modernization and digitization, such as the introduction of online booking, e-ticketing, and the use of biotoilets on its trains. The first railway station in Southern Railways is the Royapuram Railway Station, located in Chennai, formerly Madras, Tamil Nadu, India. It was opened in 1856 and is one of the oldest railway stations in India. Royapuram Railway Station serves as an important terminal for suburban trains and local passenger trains in Chennai. Thank you.